Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about to upload resume on Indeed. So let's get started. Just simply go to your Indeed account and then go to your profile. Just simply log into your Indeed account and go to your profile icon. Click on it and you will see this type of pop-up on your screen, and you have to click on profile. So guys, here in this window you have to click on upload resume. Once you click on upload resume, then you will see the new window will be open on your screen. You have to scroll down and search for your file. I am going to click on this file, which is my resume, and now I am going to click on this button. It will take some time, and then your resume will be start upload on your account, and review your resume, see your name and continue with it, confirm your number and then continue, post your address over here and then continue, review your education, and if you want to add another education over here and click on continue. So these are the details written in my resume, which are automatically upload on my Indeed account. When you upload your resume on your Indeed account, so it will automatically collect all your data, and then you have to review, and you can make changes if you want, and if you don't want to make changes, then you can continue with these details. Now I am going to continue. Here you can add your skills, like if I am a graphic designer, I can add my skills and I can continue with continue button. You can add your certifications or license over here and then continue. So this is the summary, and you can just read carefully and edit if you want to make changes, and then continue. So guys, this is the privacy, and if you want to show your resume on public, so you can click on the public, and if you don't want to show your resume or your details, so you can go with private. Obviously we all are here for searching jobs, so we will go with public, and now I am going to continue with continue. Here you can define your job type, your basic pay period, and your desired job and your desired job type. Like if you want to do full-time job, you can click on it. If you want to contract, so all the job types which are related to these types will be show in your news. I'm going to finish it. So guys, your resume has been ready to share. You simply continue with your profile, and here you can see your Indeed resume. You've uploaded over here, and you can see your PDF resume over here. So these both resume will be shown on your account, so don't need to confuse about these two options. So guys, this is how to upload resume on Indeed. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one.